Yeah, I think he's a very good player, but for me and the team, the determination and the hard work remains the same. I think our most important target is to make sure that we get the 3 points, not really focusing on names, not really focusing on individual players. I think the most important thing is the history tells us everything. Morocco, they have one AFCON. Zambia has one AFCON. That tells us that this game is actually a 50-50 game. Anything can happen in football. So we are very much ready for not only for individuals, but the whole entire team. What we want is just to make sure that we work together as a team and obviously carry a day. That's the most important thing. We're not looking at names. Zambia has beaten big names before. Won the Africa Cup against Ivory Coast. That was the time of Didier Drogba, the Yaya Toure, the best generation of football players. But we still won the Africa Cup. Even this one, we are going there with full confidence and ready to fight for our country. Thank you.